At the end of this video, I'm going to show you the results of a super easy trick to fertilize your plants. I have a little trick for a light fertilizing every time they get watered. Stuff a sock, an old sock, full of some sort of whatever fertilizer you have, compost, just pack it tight. And then I like to use a hair tie instead of a rubber band. I feel like they last longer to close it, and it's easier to get off when you want to refill it. This gets shoved into your watering can. I like to just let it sit and steep. You can also make big batches in 5-gallon buckets. Fill this little water up because I want to use this little tiny spout at the end. Can't do it one-handed, so I'm just going to do it off camera. All right, now let's go use this baby. If you look at these plants, I've got a couple that are a little lighter green. Like this one is definitely lighter than its neighbor here. So let's see if it just needs a little drink of some good healthy tea here. I'll come back in a few days and see if it made a difference. Do it to the one on the end here too. This little guy is a volunteer that came up, and see how it's got a nice green leaf there but not here. I'm gonna go ahead and add some fertilizer to the base of it and see if it helps it look a little healthier. We watered 3 plants. I watered this one, and that one over there. I will update you guys in a few days. Just notice that it looks perfect, just like its brothers and sisters. Let me turn you around. Here are the plants. This one and this one got a drink of water a week ago, 8 days ago. And then these two got another drink of water 2 days ago. Was given the same dosages, one 8 days ago and then one 2 days ago. And look at the growth and the difference. You could no longer visually see a difference in their colors. Stinky, stinky stuff. It really works. Highly recommend.